Auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we learn about for of loops. For of loop is a loop in JavaScript which is used to repeat our one task again and again. It is the same like other loops but it is little bit different. Like the for of loop is a way to go through a list of things in JavaScript which is like a loop which will pass from your all values and elements in your array or object. Imagine you have a list of fruits like apple, banana and oranges. You can use the for of loop to go through each fruit in the list one by one. Like if you have a like this an array you have and you want just to print the values of array, not whole array. So we use that time for of loop. For example, if I will do like this. Here is we have created an array A, B, C its values is and we have console the array here, meaning we will print the array. I will run the program. So as you can see here array is printing. Same like this which is we have written here is printing. But if we want that separately values printer, so we use for of loop. I will uncomment this and comment this one. Now I will run it. As you can see ABC printed separately. How it is happened that we used for keyword here and then const element. We created another variable which name is element of array 1. All values of array 1, this array values are went inside this element one by one. First this loop will run with A, meaning or this A of this array will go in the element and then element will print it, then it will come here. Then B will come in the element and then element will print B. Then C will come in the element and then element will print the C. Like this one by one it will get, not in one time. But when we run the program, so it get very fastly because computer run the program very fastly. That's why it's like this. Otherwise, all this process get in the background. So I will comment this one. So hopefully you would have understood the for of loop. So now we will come to this other example. Here is const fruits apple, banana, cherry. We have created an array here which values are apple, banana and cherry. Then we have console the fruits, meaning this array. So as you can see this array is printing. But if you want the values of array, so I will use for of loop. As you can see apple, banana and cherry is printed here. For we have used here for keyword. Then we have created here another variable known as fruit. Of fruits. Of fruits we have created here, meaning all the values of this variable will go in this one variable one by one. So now in up example I taught you that how it works. So it's simple. So now I will print and as you can see it's printed here. So now we will come to our other example. This is some complicated now. Here like we have created an variable known as message and its value is a string. Only one value here is a hello world. This is comma but it's not two values, it's one value because this is stored in only one code. Here look as you can see this code start from here and end here, and here this code start from here and here. So what would be in this code that is only one value? So it's hello world is only one value. And you will say now this and that you will say this that only hello world will print simply here, but it's not, because of one string value of one string characters will print. Like hello is so h will print separately, e will print separately like this. Like h will come here, e l l o like this will print separately. Like I will show you practically. I will run it. As you can see hello world is printed, but we don't want like this. Hello world is printed here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 12, 13 times. 13 times is printed because in this values there are 13 characters like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 is printed. 13 characters are here, just 13 times it is printed. So why it's printed? Because we have written here messaged. We have written just directly message, but we have created here char, meaning character, short form. So we have to write here char character because we have to pass the value one by one. So now when I will run it, so then it will print like this. As you can see, it's printed. Separately, it's printed. So we can use that's why. For single value, the for of loop work like this. So now we will come to our last example. I will increase it some. Okay now. As you can see here is const capital is equal to new. New is a keyword to make any object. New map is an object. Any object it is a type of object. And new meaning new keyword is used to make any object. So here we have created an object. Here is USA. Like here is values and keys. 4 values and keys are USA, France, Germany and Pakistan, Washington, Paris, Berlin, Islamabad. These are capitals of these countries. Then we have given here instruction condition. We have given that for const country and city we have created here a new variable, two variable we have created. We can create two variables like this. Country and city we created of capital. In country, meaning first variable, the values of that first values will print. If I will write here city, so city place to this will print. Meaning the first written thing, meaning city is here, so cities will not print. City, if you will, I will write here first and country after it, then two it will work same. In city, then this countries will store. So it is just into make in sequence. We have written like this of capitals, meaning these both are of this capital. This USA and Washington will come together in this country and city. USA will come in the country and Washington will come in the city, and then it will print according to this console. Like the capital of this will print normally because it's a string. Then here is string interpolation method we have used country. In country place, the value of country will print. And what is the value of country? The USA, France, Germany, and Pakistan is. So one by one, 4 times this loop will run because here are 4 values. 4 time loop will run and it will print. Then here is city. Is will print normally because it is a string. Then we have used again string interpolation method. Like here. And here city values will print then. So here city's value will print and city's values is what? Washington, DC dot, Paris, Berlin and Islamabad. So the result of this would be like this. Here I will write another. This. So as you can see I have written. This are written very fastly because this Replit is a good editor which gives a suggestion very like accurate suggestion it gives us. So the capital of country place country value and is city place city value will print. So what would be the result in the terminal? This would be the result in the terminal. I will run it. So an error is coming because here one quote I didn't written. I will write it now and I will print so it will print. Here one error is coming that new map that const capital is equal to new map. In new some errors came so we can check it. I will check it. If I will do it like this and here we'll do comma enter, then like this. It's in that new map some issue was coming so I will do it again. So now in Germany place I will write here Pakistan back. Pakistan, and here I will write Islamabad, like this. And now I will run the program. So it should print, as you can see, the capital of US is Washington, DC dot DC dot D dot DC dot. The capital of France is Paris, the capital of Germany is Berlin, the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad, just like this. So thank you guys in this video all this much. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.